Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and asked a little help. They were having trouble with the weld tool. When they welded it, some things went away. Well, two things. I'm very proud he's drawing in the center of the page. That'll help him a lot. We're going to take our outside circle and just get it out of the way. We do not need it right now. You need to weld these letters to this interior part, the interior part being that. So you want to grab your letters. They're not all together, so we're going to grab them like that. Hold down the shift key and grab your inner circle and hit front minus back. There's your weld. That piece is done. Hit P and bring back in your circle. Now we got a little bit different problem on, I'll tell you what, I'm going to move that to the left. Just get it out of the way. I'm going to set our circle is about, having trouble clicking it, it's 18 inches. So I'm going to move my nudge factor to 18 inches. And I'm going to take this box right here and move it out of the way 18 inches. I'm going to select our text. And it's 12 objects, it's not grouped together. So we can do this. We'll move that out of the way, and we'll actually move it out of the way a little bit more. Now with back minus front and welding, sometimes it doesn't, you could do this many ways. Let's just put it back and try welding it. It's not going to work. If you use back minus front, you're going to lose some interior parts. So what I suggest is to grab your box, and if these are broken apart, and they are, take the interior parts, and you could lessen the nudge here. Take your interior parts and just move them up. And you could also do this whole thing with the virtual segment delete key. Now let's try this. Grab them both and put back minus front. Now take your interior parts and just cursor them back down. Grab everything and cursor it over. Take your, let me zoom in here. Take your ring and put P. Put it in the center of the page. And also, if you're not drawing the center of the page, you can just nudge it over, but just nudge. And then always with your Smart Fill tool, fill it in to make sure there's no leaks, and everything will cut out and stay together that way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.